My name is Jennifer Thompson. I work for Duda Sons, and I'm the EDI Specialist.
Okay. And how are you involved with EDI? What function do you play?
Okay, my function is I work with a system called Gentran Integration Suite, which that's the system we use to bring in our EDI, X12 data. And of course, we use it for a lot more than just EDI. But where EDI is concerned, yes, that's a system we do use. I'm involved in the mapping, business processes, implementing of business processes within our GIS system and our mainframe system. Yes, and making sure everything works, on a day-to-day basis. Yes.
Everything always works.
Yes.
Have you seen any technologies that are coming along that you think will be important to what you do as far as EDI processes?
Not that I can think of at this particular moment. I know the technology that we're using is great. Great for the company's needs at this particular time because it does more than just EDI. But as opposed to any new system at this time, I don't have any current knowledge of anything that would enhance or make our current system better. Yes.
Have you changed EDI providers in the last year or two?
No, we haven't. No, we have kept the same provider for a while. They have been good to us, and if it works, why change it?
And has your level of transactions or enablements or connections changed in the last 6 or 8 months?
We have seen some increase. Actually, increase goes according to the season.
Okay.
Being in the food industry, there's down times and there are up times. So there are the times when.
Year to year.
I've only been with the company a year and a half, but whatever the change, it's a change in the season when the business are higher and seasonal. Yes.
Is there anything in particular that you're looking to see while you're here this week?
Pretty much to network and to see how different ways that other businesses are using or implementing EDI, different from the norm. Anything different or innovative than just the normal bringing in of the EDI document. What else are other customers or other companies doing with EDI that's different from the norm? Yeah, and networking.